Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says, almost 3 centuries ago, Sir Isaac Newton formulated 3 fundamental laws of motion. First law is the law of inertia. Second law introduces the concept of force. And the third law is about action and reaction being equal and opposite. So we have asked action and reaction. A. Act on the same body. B. Are equal and act in the same direction. C. Act on two different bodies. And D. Cancel each other. So, according to Newton's third law of motion, action and reaction forces act on two different bodies. जैसे कि एक टेबल है, लेट्स सपोज दिस इज अ टेबल, और टेबल के ऊपर एक बुक प्लेस्ड है. तो बुक, ये जो बुक है, ये टेबल पे एक फोर्स लगाएगी वेट के इक्वल, विच इज mg. तो जो ये तो बुक है वो लगा रही है टेबल पे, तो जो टेबल है वो बुक पे एक फोर्स लगाएगी, वो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, इक्वल एंड अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, जो कि रिएक्शन फोर्स होगा R. सो यहाँ पे दो बॉडी इन्वॉल्व है, एक है बुक एंड सेकेंड इज द टेबल. सो दिस इज act on the action and reaction force act on two different bodies. Or if equal and opposite forces act on the same body, then they are not called action and reaction pair. They are not action reaction force pair. That means for reaction and action force pair there must be two bodies involved. So in all these four options, option C is correct, act on two different body. This option is correct because option A is totally wrong, act on the same body, this is wrong. Are equal but same direction, this is also wrong because they are acting opposite direction, so this is wrong. Cancel each other, wrong. So option C is correct. So this is our answer. I hope you got this concept. Thank you and all the very best.